हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आप सभी का फिर से एक बार स्वागत है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल में जिसका नाम है कॉमर्स ट्रेजर। सो फ्रेंड्स, टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व अनदर प्रॉब्लम ऑन डेटा इंटरप्रिटेशन एंड टुडेज प्रॉब्लम इज बेस्ड ऑन टेबल. वी हैव टू यूज टेबल वैल्यूज एंड सॉल्व द क्वेश्चंस व्हिच आर गिवन इन द प्रॉब्लम. So let's see what exactly is the table given in the problem. Now as you can see in this table, they have given you total national production of SUV cars, that is 60,000 production they are doing in a particular period, and they have given you 5 companies, that is A, B, C, D, E, and they have given you percentage of share in national production. So out of 60,000, A company has 15% share, B company has 20% share, C company has 10% share, and so on. And they have given you percentage of cars sold. Now in 15% whatever they are producing, they are selling only 40% of the car. B company sells 60% of cars, C company 75%, and so on. And they have given you the selling price of each car in lakhs. So first car is, or A company has 6.5 lakh worth of this car, B company sells at 8.5 lakh, C company sells at 6 lakh, and so on. So this is the question. Now let's move on to the individual problems. Now as you can see on your screen, the first question is, what is the total number of cars that remained unsold in company A and B together? So you have to find out unsold car and in A and B together. Now let's see the table which they have given. So A company is having 15% share and it sells 40% of the car. So 40% cars are sold, then how much is unsold? 60% is unsold. In the same way, B company has 20% share and it sells 60% car. So what is the unsold car? It is 40%, right? Now let's use this data in the problem. So we have to find out what is the total number of car that remain unsold. So for company A, right? For company A, it is 60,000 into 15 divided by 100 into. So as I said, 40% we are selling, then unsold is 60%. Plus, we have to find out of B also. So what is the value of B? The value of B is 60,000 into 20% is a contribution or share into the cars which are unsold is 40%. So 60% they are selling, 40% remains unsold. Now let's see. So 0 0 0 0 and 4 0 gets cancelled. 0 0 0 0 4 0 gets cancelled. So 15 into 6 90. 90 into 6 is going to give you 5,400. In the same way, 6 2s are 12. 12 4s are 48. So 4 8 and 2 zeros, that is 4,800. So now total of this 0 0 8 plus 4 12, 2 carry 1, 5 plus 4 9, and 1 10. So what is the right answer? The right answer is 10,200 cars are unsold for A and B together. So let's go to question number 2. Now what they are asking you, if the cost of production of car in company D is rupees 5 lakh. So they have asked you that cost is rupees 5 lakh of each car. What is the percentage of profit earned by the company on selling a car? So the selling price of car in company D is how much? It is 5.5 lakhs, right? So we can write it as 5,50,000 is your selling price. Now what is the formula for profit percentage? Profit percentage formula is selling price minus cost price divided by cost price into 100. We know this formula, right? So just apply the formula. Selling price is 5,50,000 minus cost price is 5 lakhs divided by 5 lakhs into 100. Very simple formula which we are using in profit and loss type questions. So 5,50,000 minus 5 lakh is going to give you 50,000 divided by 5 lakh into 100. So 40 40 cancel, 0 0 gets cancelled, and 5 5 gets cancelled. So the answer is going to be 10%. So it is option number 2. 10% is a profit percentage. Now let's go to question number 3. the total number of cars sold by company C and D together is what percent of total number of cars produced by all companies together. So remember friends, in the last video which we made on data interpretation, I told you that whenever you get this percentage of total number, it is in the format of X divided by Y into 100. If you have not seen that video, please see the video. I have given the link in the description as well as in the I button. So X divided by Y into 100. Now what is X value in this case? X value will be the number of cars sold by C and company D together, and Y is nothing but the total cars, right? So we'll just find out the values of C and D cars together, how much the company is been selling. So let's see the chart again friends. 60,000 is total production. Company C is selling 10% contribution and 75% is the selling criteria. In the same way, 60,000 into 30% is the share of company D and it sells 80% of the car. So let's use this value. So for company C, it is 60,000 into 10% as I showed you into 75 divided by 100 because 75% it sells, and for company D similarly it is 60,000 into 30% into 80% is what it sells. So 0 0 0 0 and 4 0 gets cancelled. So 75 into 6. Now 75 into 6 is 75 into 2 is 150. 150, 150, 150 is going to be 450 into 10, 4,500. In the similar way, 0 0 0 0 cancel, 4 0 gets cancelled. So 6 8s are 48. 48 into 3. So let's see what is 48 into 3. So 48 into 3 is 8 3s are 24, carry 2, 4 3s are 12 plus 2, 14. Right? So it is 144 and 2 zeros. So now total number of cars sold is how much? 0, 0, 5 plus 4, 9, 4 plus 4, 8 and 1. So 18,900 is your X value, that is numerator value. Total cars sold, as I show you, it is 60,000 which is produced by the company together. So let's apply the formula friends. 18,900 divided by 60,000 which is total production into 100. So 20 20 cancels, again 20 20 cancel, so you remain with 189 divided by 6. So 6 1s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 6 1s are 6, 3 remainder, so point. So 30, 6 5s are 30. So what is going to be your answer friends? So answer is going to be option number C, that is 31.5%. So let's go to the last question of today's video. What is the respective ratio between the sales of total number of cars by company C and sales of total number of car by company E? So here they have asked you the ratio between sales of C and sales of E. Now how do you find out sales? Now sales is nothing but selling price into number of cars, right? And same way it is selling price into number of cars. So as I said you friends, there are two methods. First is you find out this total value and you find out this total value and you go on reducing the values, and the second is directly we can go for the shortcut method. So let's go for the shortcut method. So let's see the table friends. For company C, 10% is the share in total production and 75% they are selling, and the selling price is 6 lakh per car. So let's use this information. 60,000 into how much the company is selling, or what is the contribution of the company? It is 10%, into it is selling how much? 75%, into what is the sales value of each car? It is 6 lakh rupees selling price. In the same way for company E, let's see, it is 60,000 into 25% of the total production it is doing, 70% they are selling, into what is the sales price of each car? It is 7 lakh. So let's simplify it further friends. In a shortcut method, 100 100 100 100 gets cancelled, 60,000 60,000 gets cancelled, so you are going to remain with 10 into 75 into 6 is to 25 into 70 into 7. So again we can simplify this. 10 ones are, 10 sevens are, right? 25 ones are, 25 threes are. Right friends, so 6 into 3 you get 18, 7 into 7 you get 49. So in a simple way we got the answer, that is 18.4, 18 is to 49. So this is all about today's video friends. If you like the video, please hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel so that I can bring you more of such videos. And how did you find this video? Please let me know in the comment box, and let me know on any topic you want me to make some video. So thank you friends, we'll meet again in another video. Bye bye friends.